Product included 1x mini air cooler. Color, multi-color, color we will send as per availability. Mini small fan cooling portable desktop dual bladeless air conditioner USB new ultra quiet design. Hot summer must have little gadget. Add ice water or any scented liquid whatever you like into the drawer, and it will diffuse following with the blowing wind. Just enjoy your DIY cooling wind in the hot summer. Mini pocket size allows you to pack it in your handbag, briefcase or backpack perfectly. Use it outdoors when go holiday, travel, golfing, watching sports, amusement parks, sunbathing, BBQ and picnics, camping. Package includes 1 * mini air conditioner fan. Electroplated motor cover, blade bracket, down rod and canopy. Contact us on 180010311313. 5 blades made of high quality wood. Light on or off and speed controlled by pull chains. Powerful motor with silent operation. Sweep, 1320 mm. Warranty, 2 years on product.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.